The acceptance of the theory of evolution by different religions varies considerably. While some religious groups fully embrace the theory of evolution and reconcile it with their beliefs, others reject or hold reservations about it. It's important to note that religion is a diverse and complex subject, and different interpretations and beliefs exist within each religious tradition. Here is a brief overview of how different religions generally approach the theory of evolution. Christianity. Views on evolution within Christianity are diverse. Some Christian denominations, such as the Roman Catholic Church, accept the theory of evolution and see no conflict between it and their religious beliefs. They view evolution as a means through which God's creation unfolded. Other Christian groups, particularly some conservative Protestant denominations, may reject or have reservations about evolution, advocating for a literal interpretation of the creation account in the Bible. Islam. Islamic perspectives on evolution also vary. Some Muslim scholars and organizations accept the theory of evolution, seeing it as compatible with Islamic teachings. They interpret the creation accounts in the Quran metaphorically and believe that evolution is a part of God's plan. However, like in Christianity, there are Muslims who reject evolution and adhere to a literal interpretation of the Quranic creation narrative. Judaism. Similar to Christianity and Islam, Jewish views on evolution differ among different branches and individual interpretations. Some Jewish scholars and religious authorities accept the theory of evolution, while others may reject or question it. There is a range of perspectives within Judaism, and discussions on evolution are ongoing. Hinduism. Hinduism encompasses a wide range of beliefs and philosophical traditions, making it challenging to generalize its stance on evolution. Overall, many Hindus do not see a fundamental conflict between the theory of evolution and their religious beliefs. Some Hindu scholars interpret ancient Hindu texts, such as the Vedas, in a way that aligns with the idea of evolution. Buddhism. Buddhism generally focuses on personal spiritual development and understanding suffering rather than on cosmological or creationist explanations. As such, the theory of evolution does not inherently conflict with Buddhist teachings, and many Buddhists accept it without issue. It is important to note that these are broad generalizations. An individual beliefs may deviate from the broader trends within each religious tradition. Additionally, the perspectives outlined here are not exhaustive, as there are numerous other religious traditions and variations within them. Ultimately, the acceptance of the theory of evolution varies among different religious groups and individuals. While some reconcile it with their religious beliefs, others may reject it due to differing interpretations of sacred texts or philosophical perspectives.